Have you ever wondered how to create a process flow diagram? Well, let's dive into it. A process flow diagram is a powerful tool used to illustrate the steps involved in a process. It plays a vital role in visualizing the sequence of actions, pinpointing potential problem areas, and ultimately enhancing the process. It's like a roadmap that guides you through each stage, ensuring a smooth and efficient journey. So, captivating and insightful, isn't it? Now the big question is, so how do we go about creating one? Creating a process flow diagram is not as complex as it might seem. Let's demystify this process together. To create a PFD, follow these steps. Identify the start and end points of the process. List all of the steps in the process in the order in which they occur. Determine the inputs and outputs at each step. Choose the appropriate symbols to represent each step. Draw the PFD using the symbols and arrows. Here are some tips for creating effective PFDs. Use clear and concise labels for all of the steps, inputs, and outputs. Make sure that the arrows are easy to follow. Use a consistent style throughout the PFD. If the PFD is complex, consider breaking it down into multiple diagrams. Now comes the fun part, adding directional arrows to indicate flow. These arrows show the sequence of the steps and the direction of the process. They guide the viewer's eye and provide a visual roadmap of the process. Make sure that your arrows are clear and easy to follow. Lastly, it's important to validate the diagram with relevant stakeholders. This might be your team members, your manager, or your clients. Their feedback can help you ensure that your diagram is accurate, comprehensive, and useful. So that's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to creating a clear, concise, and effective process flow diagram. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more diagrams you create, the better you'll get at it. And voila, you've just created your very own process flow diagram.